Welcome. If you're looking to disable the message sounds for your best friends on Snapchat, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll walk through the simple steps to mute those notification sounds. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Snapchat app. Once you're in, look for your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Give that a tap to access your profile. Now, we need to head into the settings. To do this, look for the gear icon, also at the top right of your profile screen, and go ahead and tap it. This will bring up the settings menu where you can customize your Snapchat experience. Next, scroll down and find the notifications option. Tap on it to enter the notification settings. Here's where the magic happens. You will see a list of different notification options. Simply unmark or turn off the Best Friends Message Sounds option. This will silence those notifications, giving you a more peaceful Snapchat experience. And there you go. You've successfully disabled the message sounds for your best friends on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on how to navigate your favorite apps. Thanks for watching.